If you want to keep your credit score high, you're only supposed to be using 30% of the limit. So if I have a $1,000 credit card, all I'm really supposed to use is $300. Every time I go to that $500, $600, $700, $800, $900 level or balance on those credit cards, I'm getting into a little trouble. If it's reportable, if it's the time that the credit card is reporting to my credit report, to the credit bureaus, right? So we want you to understand how to use credit, how to read your credit report, how to take a look at your credit report to find where you can make improvements. We're here to help you with that, but we're here to also tell you, and that 30% rule was my first tip and my first trick to raising your credit score. So if you do have credit cards and the balance is 50% and above, if we get you under that 30% threshold, then we can significantly increase your credit score, okay? If you've had some late payments, we can put you on a plan of now paying on time and changing your credit score, okay? So your credit score is not just a number. A lot of people always talk about the credit score. We look at the score, but we look at the report, because the report, again, is your lifestyle report. Do I have the ability to pay on time? Or am I a risk